welcome back to, I guess, another episode of me fixing stuff. This is my 575 DeftRacing hood, and as you can see, it got some pretty extensive damage done to both corners, and that was due to me not putting my hood pins on properly one day when I was rushing to school. And I'm pointing to some resin mat that I put on there along with the fiberglass resin, and I poured a bunch of resin in between those layers because I didn't want it to ever come apart again, I guess you can say, because it split in two. Just an overview of the entire hood. This is before I start the sanding process. It's looking pretty good right now. Patched up a few more areas. I'm gonna go through and sand those down again. And keep on repeating the process until I get it to about where I want it to be. You can see I had to put some more fiberglass cloth on there. I did the same to the other side as well. Not looking too bad over there. And this is after I started to sand it down. See where it's at, make sure it's still like structurally sound, and the structural integrity of it is better, which it is. It's a hell of a lot stronger now than what it was originally. It's more sanding, more work, putting in that elbow grease. More of the same. You can see, I don't know if you can see that fine line where it's split into two. And I'm sorry that the original audio got lost somehow or corrupted.